In this video, I'm gonna do the login, both get and post. So in users.js here, I'm gonna copy this get register and paste it here and say this is get login. And the URL is gonna be /login. And if the user is logged in, I'm gonna check for that. So I'm gonna say if rec res, that is locals user. If the user exists, then I'm gonna redirect to the home page. And I'm gonna render the login view with title of login, like so. And to create the view, I'm gonna copy this register, rename it to login, and in here I just need the username and the password, like so. So let's see now, and here it is, looking good. And for the post, actually let me just change this to users login, the action in here. So for the post, I'm gonna copy this and say here post login, and this is gonna be a post. And now in here I'm gonna say passport authenticate and say local here and pass an object, and I'm gonna say that success redirect is home or the root, and failure redirect is gonna be /user/login, and failure flash is true, so I display that message from passport.js. And this looks good. I just need to have in here now rec res and next. Okay, and just some space here. So this passport I'm finally using, I'm including it up here. So let's see if this works. If I now refresh here and log in as admin, next is not defined, users.js 106. Oh yeah, I don't have next in here. Okay, so once again, if I say admin and pass, and there's a problem, here is not defined, passport.js, line 37, let me just fix that. Just a silly mistake. Okay, this one here, whoops. And once again, login and admin pass, and I should be logged in now. If I try to go to login, I can't. Okay, so that's good. And I want to add a logout link and also a name here instead of register and login if a user is logged in, since there's no sense in that being there. So in header, let's see, where is that? It's here. So I'm displaying these lists just as it is now, always. So I'm gonna have an if here, and I'm gonna say here if user. So if there is a user there, I mean if he is logged in, then I'm gonna have Ali with an A. That's gonna point to logout, and in here I'm gonna say logout, and I'm also gonna say here hi and pass here user and username. And I'm gonna duplicate this since this is gonna be an else, and I'm gonna have these leads in this else. So just format all that a bit like so. Okay, let's see if this works. and it says here, hi admin, log out. Let me just have this logout in braces, for example, since it looks a bit weird now the way it is. Okay, that's good. And also I want to check if the user is admin, and if it is admin, I want to have the admin area link here as well to go to it. So I'm gonna copy this if user, and after the else here I'm gonna say if user and user admin is 1. In that case I'm gonna have a link to admin and pages, and this is gonna say admin area. Okay, so let's see if that works as well. And I messed up somewhere, let's see. Oh, I have an else here. Okay, and here is the admin area. I can go to it and go to the front as well now. So let me also restart the server so that the session is lost. Okay, now the session should be lost, and it is. And let me just register as a regular user now. So let's say John and John Gmail, John MPass. Okay, John is registered. So if I log in as John, I get hi John here and log out, but I don't have the admin area link here. I can access it still, but I don't have the link. So there is a difference, and if I refresh here, admin is 0 for John, so that's good. And also I want only logged in people to be able to see this add to cart. Okay, so in product, where is it? Here it is. So in product routes, I'm in the products route file, so this one here, where I'm displaying the product details. Here I want to have another variable that's gonna be called logged in, and that's gonna be equal to rec is authenticated. So this just exists when using Passport, and it's gonna be either true or false. And I'm gonna pass that here, so logged in, and the value will be logged in. And in here now I'm gonna say if logged in, then I'm gonna have this and copy, and copy this for the else. I'm gonna have a message basically that's gonna say you must be logged in to purchase items, like so. So let's see if this works. If I now go to the home page, the server restarted, so I need to log back in, so John MPass and bananas, and I see add to cart. And if I log out, let me just actually restart the server since I can't log out yet. Okay, so if I refresh now, I see this message: I can't add items to cart. So it's all good. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.